Construction of Koilamati 10-bedded hospital underway. Forest officials seize huge quantity of illegal timber, 3 persons arrested.
Yashvir Sofa Store. Bangso store along nang litum longigji, mesen na sofa. Anchot kalisi, an namjum hekpenta longigji. Nang litum an ningkehang a design, ateng pen kasi margin ningkehang do setame, bangso Yashvir Sofa Store along pen longigji. Lapen an parta, hema long kahinotang sofa, puthot kasemar mate repairing oversize ita longigji. Kahumri ng jiadim lake Yashvir Sofa Store, Dokmoka Forest IB at Hengno. Klarda kachini jiapan, 8459-492372, Lapenke 86381-48114, along Humri Lote, Longigji.
Hello viewers, good morning. You're watching KAL English Live, Voice of KAL English with Julie Baby. Now let's look into the news in details. The construction of a 10-bedded hospital is underway in Koilamati under Nilib MSC constituency. This hospital is being constructed by upgrading the Koilamati sub-center in order to provide better health services to the locality. The contractor had informed that the hospital will have quarters for doctors and nurses, ICU room, and facility to provide oxygen. He also informed that the hospital has been sanctioned through a central scheme, seeing the vastness in area of Koilamati and the day-to-day increase in the number of population.
Koilamati laso sub center mini sub center along jitu committee do committee atum pen sini tumlang ora pensil bangso kam peklempon bom asi non mat ke tang telang setame la bangso hem patang pon prang pu busi ikada rahin manta ninje pon
la so hem kim nang pukumat abang si mane nang pipon la so hem
la bangso scheme la ke central government me sili tumanang pilo la si lada kamaduda chini ne setame eli tomhan ma central government pen aprang ma provision doko athe lada Koilamati area thetan ba joksi la bangso provision dolo ma sili tuma central government pen tuma pilo.
The health center is expected to be functional from 2023 as the work is stipulated to be completed within the next 11 months.
এবছৰ টাইম আছে এবছৰ ভিতৰত আমি কমপ্লিট কৰিবলৈ পুৰা চেষ্টা কৰি আছো বতৰ বিঘিনি অলপমান সমস্যা হৈছে তবুতো আমি সময়ত উলিয়াই দিম বুলি আশাবাদী আৰু কাম বহুত সোনকালে কৰিম আৰু বহুত ভালকে কৰি যাম আমি
আপুনি আৰম্ভ হৈছে
এটো আমাৰ আৰম্ভ কৰা আজি এক মাহ হৈছে এক মাহত আমাৰ ফাউন্ডেশন লেভেল কমপ্লিট হৈছে আৰু আনাদাৰ 11 মাহৰ ভিতৰত আমি কামটো সম্পূৰ্ণ কৰিম বুলি আশাবাদী
কেইটা বিল্ডিং আছে
ইয়াতে এটা আপোনাৰ সেমি আইসিইউ আছে এটা আপোনাৰ ওটি আছে তাৰ পিছত মেইন পিএসসি বিল্ডিং টো আছে ইয়াত 20 বেড থাকিব প্লাস আপোনাৰ এটা ডক্টৰ কোৱাৰ্টাৰ আহিছে দুটা নাৰ্স কোৱাৰ্টাৰ আছে টোটাল আপোনাৰ 4টা বিল্ডিং প্লাস আপোনাৰ আইসিইউ ধৰিলে 5টা বিল্ডিং হয়
স্কিম নাম কি
আপগ্ৰেডেশন অফ সাব সেন্টাৰ টু প্ৰাইমাৰী হেলথ সেন্টাৰ এট Koilamati under Sokihola BPSC.
Samson T and Sanjay Crow from Nilib, KAL English Live. KAL English Forest Department seized wraps with illegal logs floating on the Kalyani River under Silunijan Forest Range in KAL English District on Wednesday. Here is a report. Sources said timber smugglers have been continuing to use the riverine route of the Kalyani River to operate their illegal timber business. Forest Department team led by ACF Pranab Theron seized the illegal timber and also apprehended 3 persons, namely Katharson Ingti, age 21, Augustine Ingti, age 23, and Ajoy Ingti, age 25. A case has been registered in police station and investigation has been initiated. The timber was being brought, taken from Sarihuti to Bhokyal in Golaghat through the riverine route in order to avoid detection by the forest department or authorities concerned. However, they were intercepted by forest department during routine patrolling on Wednesday. During interrogation, the apprehended youths to the name of Robin Lekte and Robin Das of Golaghat in connection with timber smuggling in the area. Police have assured to do further investigation into the matter.
La alang itu pan nebden pen alang itu statement along cikubira tengke alang itu pan hadak sari utilom kedo Robin Lekte si alang itu pan kam paklem kuno lapen so Robin Lekte si bukial Golaghat long kedo Lubinda sa pansi alang itu formu keton namdam si alang itu cikubira. Así que no voy a decir que el tú patui petróleo industria da por banque nasis erunelo ini de lo postame nilitum la caps se tha suri caps se bogi kumating ki bang nilitum wanilo.
It has been seen that timber smuggling has been active in the area from a long time, with more youths coming in the trade every year. This continued timber trade had badly impacted the forest cover, and the forest department officials are on high alert. Anantarang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. And that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.